Welcome to Mishna study, Masachet Terumot Perek Yod Mishnah He, continuing on the theme of items that give off flavor to something else. So here we're going to speak about tiltan. Rambam translates this as hilba, right, which is fenugreek, right? That's how you saw it translated into the English. And now this fenugreek is Terumah fenugreek or Ma'aser Sheni fenugreek, and now it goes and falls into a vat, into a barrel of wine. How do we treat this wine now? So tiltan shenafla toch bor shel yain v'hi teruma, right? This tiltan that fell into the wine, this tiltan itself is teruma. Over ma'aser sheni, or we're talking about tiltan that's ma'aser sheni. Im yesh bazera kidei liten ta'am, if there's enough, right, flavor within the seed itself, right? Even though the stalk of tiltan, of fenugreek, does have some flavor to it as well, and it's similar to the seed, we're only going to take into account the flavor of the seed. If there's enough flavor in the seed to give flavor to that wine, right? Right? But we're not taking into account the branch or the stalk to give all flavor, even if it does, right? That doesn't count, right? Because when it comes to teruma and ma'aser sheni, the only thing that has the status of teruma ma'aser sheni is the food itself and not the stalk, right? So therefore, all we take into account is the food, not the stalk. Now, that's only when it comes to teruma ma'aser sheni, because those are things that we eat, right? But let's say it comes to shvi'it or kilei kerem or bahekdesh, right? All these things, we know that all these laws apply to the seed as well as the stalk. Right, Shemitah applies to the stalk as well if it has flavor. Kilei kerem, if someone planted fenugreek in a vineyard and it turned into something that's asur b'hana'ah, you're not allowed to benefit from. Also, the stalks you're not allowed to benefit from. Or hekdesh, if you donate to the Beit HaMikdash, you're also not allowed to benefit from that hekdesh. So in those cases, right? If there's enough flavor within the seed and the etz, right, and the stalk itself, in order to give flavor, then, right, even then it would become asur, yani it would make it, impart that status of whatever it was. If it was kilei kerem, if it was shvi'it, it would turn everything else into that status as well.